Hello guys, hope you're all doing great. I want to show you the project I launched yesterday, my self-hosted n8n server running on Google Cloud Compute Engine powered by Google Cloud SQL, PostgreSQL for scalability, durability, and smooth workflow uptime. This setup handles the automations and workflows I built for myself, my wife, and my clients. Everything is fully private. No one can access this n8n instance unless I personally create or invite a user. Alright, let's log in and take a look inside. Inside the workflows folder, you'll see sections for prototyping, clients, my wife's workflows, a common workflow directory for shared logic, and my personal workflows. Let's open one example, the motorcycle page workflow. As you can see, everything runs smoothly, just like n8n Cloud. The combination of Compute Engine plus Cloud SQL, PostgreSQL, and Google Cloud's private network setup makes this level of performance and stability possible. If you want a personalized workflow or automation, whether it's for business transactions, personal tasks, or social media automation, contact me and let's build it together. Bye for now.